Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you how to hard reset Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. Let's have a look. First, you need to press and hold power button and volume up button at the same time for 10 to 15 seconds. Keep pressing until you see black screen. Release both fingers. Now press and hold power button and volume down button. Keep pressing until you see fast boot mode. Release both fingers. Now you need to press volume up or volume down to select recovery mode. When recovery mode appears, press power button. Now you need to press and hold power button and press volume up once to get factory reset option. Press volume down and choose whip data and factory reset. When whip data and factory reset selected, press power button and again select factory data reset using volume button and press power button. Whipping data whip completed. Now press power button to reboot system now. When your phone restart, you will see your phone completely resetted. So these are the steps to hard reset Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.